Malico is the farthest and remotest barangay of the municipality, being 40 km away from the town proper and adjoins our provincial boundary with the province of Nueva Vizcaya. In fact, it is nearer to Imugan, Nueva Vizcaya, being only 13 kilometers away. It is bounded on the north by Cayapa, Nueva Vizcaya, on the south by Barangay Kakabugawan, on the east by Imugan, Nueva Vizcaya, and on the west by Barangay Santa Maria East and Fianza. It has approximate land area of 710 hectares with pasture lands covering the biggest area of land, followed by Cogon land. The irrigated land is the third biggest area. The residential land covers the least land area classification. Malico produces mountain crops like sweet potato, gabi, and vegetables such as cabbage, sayote, Baguio beans, pechay, and carrots. The high elevation, cold climate and fertile soil make Malico an ideal place for vegetable production like Benguet. According to old folks, Malico derived its name from the winding flow of the Cabalishan River, which originated from Malico and winds down the mountain connecting with the Ambayuan River in Barangay Santa Maria East. As could be seen from a vantage point in the barangay, you could see the zigzagging flow of the said river, or Lico, and was later called Malico. In the early 60s, Malico was a sitio of Santa Maria until the PACD creation to undertake the developmental challenges and subdivisions of the countrysides that Malico devolved into a separate barangay. Also, tribal leadership devolved to political leadership to the barangay leaders of Malico. Yet the tribal leaders are still very much respected, revered, and honored on matters pertaining to customs, traditions, and critical issues and problems brought to them for decision and advice. Malico is composed mainly of the Kalanguya ethno-linguistic group, but everyone knows the Ilocano dialect. The customs and traditions of the Kalanguya tribe are very much practiced and preserved by the barangay folks, although majority of them were converted to Christianity through the long years of missionary work of Pastor Dilbert Rice, an American UCCP pastor. Prominent families of the barangay are the Tashong, Tindaan, Bagtung, Ancheta, Lorenzo, Guzman, Lacios, and Segundo, among others. In the early 70s, Malico could be reached easily by motor vehicles from the town proper through the winding Villa Verde Trail some 30 kilometers away. Yet, the national government failed to maintain the trail. The 1990 killer earthquake resulted to massive erosion, landslide, and total destruction of the road. Presently, it could be reached only through the mountain road of Imugan, Nueva Vizcaya. Thus, going to Malico from the town proper is like going on a journey to Cagayan Valley, as you have to take the route to San Jose City, then to Santa Fe, Nueva Vizcaya, and via the mountain roads of Imugan to Malico. This route covers around 60 kilometers, half of which is unpaved mountain road, and 3 hours travel time. The proposed construction of the Pangasinan Nueva Vizcaya Road will be a big boon not only to Malico, but also to the municipality of San Nicolas. Malico will become the gateway to the Cagayan Valley. Due to its high elevation, good vegetation, and unique cold climate, Malico could become the summer capital of Pangasinan. The Villa Verde Trail will improve as a tourist destination due to its historic value as the battleground of the U.S. Army 32nd, Red Arrow Division and the Japanese Army during the World War II. At present, Barangay Malico has 7 Puruks groups, namely, Lupa, Camp Apat, Sitio Singgi, Purok Monumento, Purok Antero, Malico Centro, and Siloksak.